The first step is to simply make sure that you just created your Google Drive folder. Now, if you want to protect this with a password, as you can see, I have my folder right here. We're gonna have to simply open a new tab and search for Google Forms. Then simply click on the first link and then we're gonna get redirected here. So simply click on Go to Forms. And from here, we're gonna have to click on blank form. Now, if you want, here you can simply enter the title of the folder. And then here, what we're gonna have to do is simply type in what's the password, or if you want, you can add whatever you want. And from here, what we're gonna have to do is simply make sure to choose one of these. So we're gonna have to simply go with short answer. Now here we're gonna have to select the required, and then what we're gonna have to do is simply click on response validation. So here we're gonna have to select text, and here make sure you select contains, and then here the password. So I'm gonna type in 123. So this will be the password that they need to enter in order to get access to the folder. Now once we do that, we're gonna have to go to settings and then simply click on presentation. So here where it says confirmation message, click on edit, and then here we can simply type in that's correct. Here's the link. Now what we're gonna have to do is simply go back to Google Drive, and then we're gonna have to click on our folder and then click on share. And then here, make sure you select anyone with the link and then click on copy link. Then we're gonna have to go back and paste the link and then click on save. Now we're gonna have to go back. Now here, if you want, you can add a custom error tag. So if they don't enter the right password, you can simply type in this is not the password. And basically now what we can do, we can simply click on publish and then click again on publish, and we can share this. So as you can see, we have the link right here. So we can simply paste the link, and as you can see, they're gonna get redirected here, and then they're gonna have to enter the password and click on submit, and then they receive the link of the folder, and then they can access it. So basically, that's all we have to do in order to lock Google Drive folder with password. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.